Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to sort dates in Excel step by step. If we are working with lists, reports, or any time-based data, this tutorial will help us organize everything correctly, quickly, and easily. On our Microsoft Excel dashboard, we want to arrange the dates, and as we can see, they are not sorted yet. All we need to do is highlight the column or cell we want to arrange. Once we have done that, we just right-click on it and select Sort. As we can see, there is no option available right away. All we have to do is click on Custom Sort, and then we will set it to Newest. We just need to click the drop-down and then click on Custom List. Here, we simply choose the date so we can see the dates we want. It will automatically update the date order. Now we can see it is sorted correctly by date, from day, month, and year. This helps us properly sort our Excel data by date, so we can analyze information more efficiently and keep our spreadsheets organized. That's it. Now we know how to sort by date in Excel.